How to make your own girl dinner. Although it sounds a lot like a fun evening out with the ladies, it couldn't be further from it. A night out would require the effort of getting dressed and spending time on hair and makeup, then actually going somewhere. Girl dinner is, in fact, more like staying in your pajamas. A girl dinner consists of ingredients that require such minimal effort that it may not qualify as a complete or proper meal. Emphasis on the minimal effort. It's called girl dinner because ladies are often responsible for making sure loved ones are well nourished and fed, but every now and then find themselves responsible only for themselves. No obligation to conjure up a balanced meal with all the right protein, carbs, and nutrients. The idea of cooking dinner was historically women's work in the home. Thankfully, times have changed, and really this can apply to anyone cooking for loved ones on a regular basis. Girl dinner is trending on TikTok with over 150 million views since May 2023, and it's not without controversy. But let's get to how to make your own girl dinner first. Think of your meal as a miniature charcuterie board. You can be as creative as you want. Add all your favorite foods and snacks in any combination. Step 1. Casually grab a plate or board. Step 2. Raid the fridge. Step 3. Raid the pantry. It helps to stock up and shop for items that you enjoy. This is the key to a great girl dinner. As with any meal, it's up to you to modify it to suit your needs and dietary requirements. Variety is everything. Here are some popular choices. The only rule is that you aren't supposed to be cooking anything. The aim is quick and easy. Popular pick number 1 is cheese. Any cheese, all the cheese, any variety. As much as you want. Olives are just as popular and nutritious. Next up, at number 3 we have deli meats. From ham to salami to roast beef to smoked chicken, any combination will work. Nuts of all kinds are a firm favorite. Macadamias, almonds, cashews, roasted, salted, raw. Fresh fruit, dried fruit, preserved fruit, so many to choose from. Dips are a tasty addition to the girl dinner. Hummus, salsa, and mayonnaise are amongst the most loved dips available. Raw veggies are always a winner. What else will you dip into your hummus? Then there's popcorn. It's surprisingly nutritious. With all the different kinds of seasonings available, it can be quite versatile. Biscuits and crackers are a no-brainer. You can pack them with cream cheese and caviar, or dip them, or even use them as a spoon for your cheese. The same goes for bread. There are so many kinds. Sourdough, rye, ciabatta. Let's not forget about pickled foods. Pickles, pickled onions, artichokes. Boiled eggs or deviled eggs to your liking. Pita bread is an excellent choice. It's filling and it can be filled with anything you want. Just to make sure you've got a decent amount of healthy fats, how about some avocado? Tinned or canned fish and seafood is understandably making a comeback at the moment. Imagine smoked mussels on crackers with cottage cheese and sliced pickles. Now you know how to make your own girl dinner. There's nothing wrong with keeping it simple, but don't be shy to experiment. Don't be shy to like and subscribe. Before you go, it's important to understand that a girl dinner is a concept born out of convenience. There's division surrounding the idea that this meal could promote disordered eating. We're all for convenience. It's so easy to include a wide variety of nutrients and healthy portions. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What do you think about the girl dinner trend? Thanks for joining Food for Thought.